Hello everyone. Today I'll be live trading New York session. Alright, cool. But I'm trying to figure out like how I can like share my screen in order to trade this session. So I'm just trying to figure it out. The US30, the GU and USD JPY, but I'm trying to see it right now. How big you now? Why? I was trading with you. Guys, am I still like live or something? Okay. So first we have to look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, but before we look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, I'll just tell you about my trading strategy. Okay, I'm just trying to remove these things here, right? Just trying to remove this trend line, guys. So guys, as you can see right here, guys, like the market on the 4-hour time frame is in a downtrend. Like it went for an uptrend, and it can just keep going down, like went down and for a low, went up and then came down again. So it's in a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go look at the 1-hour time frame. Now on the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, it went down and up, went down and up, went down and up, and then just kept going down. Okay, can I like try to like it's fine. Then just kept like it's in a downtrend. As you can see, it's in a downtrend. But here's the thing though, it came up this and then it made a pullback right here, made a nice pullback right here. Now what we're waiting for is for price to break this lower low, right? Which I don't think it's gonna do it like in this session, maybe in the Asian session, but not in this session though. Ooh, it's fine. We'll just do it on the 15-minute. Boom, it went up and down, right? So now what we are going to do is very simple. It's just going in a downtrend. So we missed it, but it has to like you can go long and then aim for like a 1-to-1. Like a 1-to-1. Yeah, it's too late, guys. It's too late. We're gonna aim for like a 1-to-1 right here, but it's already late, so it's fine. It's okay. So what we can do is very simple. Okay, you can see right here, make like an order block here, make an order block right there, and also be down here. Right there, and then you can go for that 1-to-2 right here, a 1-to-2. See guys, the thing is you mustn't chase the market. Guys. So gotta let the market do its thing, bro. Don't chase it. This right here is my reactionary order block trading strategy. So we first have to wait for liquidity, and then after liquidity, then we enter on the retest. Okay, so here we already know on the higher time frame, influences on the higher time frame, bearish. That time frame is bearish. Now let's see whether price is going to take me out or not. Okay, let's see. Wait, then number 2, we're going to say fair value gap. All right, now we see that price is about to go for an uptrend. Guys, let's just see how this trade plays out first. I think we're gonna get taken out. Okay, at least they told us very early, but get out. You see, bro, that's the perks of trading the 1-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame is yeah, we out, guys. It is what it is.